Hi babes, it's me, BGB for Brown Girl Bella, and it's BELLAmas. In my kitchen making a burger. Let me just show you what I'm doing. There it is. There's my burger. So while I am waiting for this to cook, let me go upstairs and get Miss Brooklyn because she is whining and crying. She just came back from the vet. And so, hang on, it's gonna get a little dark, so let me turn on the light so we can see. All right, going up the stairs to get Miss Brooklyn because she's been a little whiny, a little needy lately. And so I figured, let me just get her, bring her upstairs, well, downstairs with me, and let's open up one of the advent calendars. Yes. All right, so here she is. Oh, that's her room, by the way. Lots going on in there. But I will take you in there as BELLAmas goes on because, hang on, let me pick her up. As BELLAmas goes on because I am starting to put things together in that room so it can be a true guest bedroom. So I'm getting some mattresses, box spring, and everything else is more or less done in there. I just have to move some of my daughter's belongings that I boxed up. I have to move those out. So I probably will move them either upstairs to the attic or downstairs to the basement so that they're out of the way. And yeah, make it into a true guest room and Brooklyn's room, you know. So let's go downstairs. Let's finish cooking our burger. And then we're gonna open up some advent calendars today. Yes. Okay, so let me bring her down. She's now out in the kitchen. But she will come like right to the entranceway. Hang on, let me set this down. Okay. So she won't come into the kitchen. She'll go right to the entranceway and sit because she knows Mama will yell at her if she's in the kitchen. So just flip this burger over. And I like these like pre-made burgers. I like to cook them either medium or medium well, but not well done because then they taste like cardboard. So I'm gonna just cook them to like medium well, like a warm pink center. And then I will plate my burger, some chips, and then we'll go upstairs and open a couple of advent calendars. All right, sounds good to you? Okay, so day 2. We're gonna open up this wine, see what it is. There you go. Wine advent calendar. And it is a Côtes de Rhône. Ooh, perfect with our burger. Oh, perfect. So let me go get a glass. Let me go get a glass and I'll tell you all about this wine. This is day 2's wine. Okay, so here is the Côtes de Rhône wine. I'm going to pour it into my glass. And there's enough for 2 glasses in here. Also, if you want to make a cocktail out of the wine or featuring the wine, there is instructions on how to do that as well. So there's the wine. And let's read about day number 2, Côtes de Rhône. So here is the information about the Côtes de Rhône wine. Côtes de Rhône, Rhône wines are so robust and muscular, you can almost call them chewy. The intense purple color and deep berry flavors are reminiscent of a delicious pie filling. The warm climate these grapes are grown in is reflected in the way it warms your bones as you finish a glass. Tasting notes are bacon, plum, violet, and cranberry. And the plum is kind of jammy, they say. And it's best drinking with braised beef stew, but we're having a burger, so that is perfect for burgers. So I'm going to enjoy this burger with my little bit of chips, spicy nachos from Doritos, and my Côtes de Rhône wine. All right, time for day 2. Let's open her up and see what we got. This, as you know, is the Jo Malone London Advent Calendar. Let's look at day number 2. All right, take it out. The back in there. And now let's open her up and see what's in day number 2, shall we? Looks like another fragrance. Ooh, this is her intense one. So this is Scarlet Poppy Cologne Intense. So these are the ones that have a bit more intensity to the fragrance. So that's why she calls them intense. They also make great gifts for men as well. So let's read about Scarlet Poppy. It says it's the most wonderful time of the year to start a new fragrance ritual, especially with this sweetly decadent and Moorish cologne intense. A ravishing floral scent inspired by extravagant poppies and amplified by velvet iris. Ooh, that sounds and probably smells so divine. Can't wait to try it. Scarlet Poppy. You know I love me some Poppy. All right, that is day 2. What a do day 2. Awesome. All right, you've been Bellafied.